Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix YouTube Premium not working. For that, the first thing that you can do is head over to YouTube and then tap on your profile icon and then make sure that your account is verified by tapping on the gear icon. Tap on purchases and memberships and make sure that your family plan is active. If your recent payment has failed, your purchase may be cancelled. Look for a notification regarding your payment method and click Update Payment Method to resolve any billing issues. Sometimes you can sign out of YouTube and re-log in to access your premium account one more time. For that, head over to Settings, tap on Switch or Manage Account, and then tap on Manage Accounts. Tap on your account and then tap on remove account, and then you can sign back into YouTube. The other thing that you can try doing is head over to settings on your device, tap on apps, tap on YouTube, tap on storage and cache, and clear both storage and cache of YouTube on your device. If none of the basic troubleshooting steps work, you may have to reach YouTube support. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.